Hazrat Hisham bin Urwa narrated that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha told him that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the ailment he passed away would say, "In which house will I be tomorrow? With whom will I be tomorrow?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would wait for the Hazrat Aisha's turn. So his wives gave him their consent to stay wherever he wished. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam lived in Hazrat Aisha's house until he passed away. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, "It was the day of my turn when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam expired. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away, his head was resting against my neck and chest, and at that time Allah Jalla Jalaluhu mixed his saliva with mine. Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abu Bakr came with a toothstick which he used. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam started looking at it. So I said, 'O Abdul Rahman, give me this toothstick.' So he gave it to me. So I chewed it and gave it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam used it while he was resting against my chest." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4450.